If you haven't looked at the first video that I've created, stop, just pause this video or stop this video and go back to the very first video I've created right here and look at that one first. Then you can come and look at this one, okay? Because there's a lot of products that will help you make money this Christmas season. Okay, guys, so I really want you guys to succeed and make money this Christmas. So I went ahead and created another 5 digital items that you can sell on your website or on Etsy or anywhere you sell your digital products. You can actually sell this and make some money this Christmas. I actually did the research and I will show you the numbers and I will tell you how much these or people are making. So guys, I really want you to make money this Christmas or for the new year, so I am putting in the work for you to do the research for you. Okay, so I really hope you guys appreciate it. All right, I have included one bonus item that I think you guys will love, and I actually inserted my little creative tip on how you can use that and sell that this Christmas season. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. Let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so we are back again with some holiday printables that you can sell. So we are looking at some Christmas card templates, and these are evergreen products, and these can be sold anytime during the year, and especially around Christmas time when you want to send pictures to friends and family. Okay, so this one is being sold with the app called Corgil. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but basically it allows persons to edit the template in this software, in this application. Okay, so there, take a look at it. All right, so this was sold 36 times in the past 7 days and a total of 902 times. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very simple downloadable file, and this is actually making some money. Okay, and I will actually put the total sales on the screen so you can see. Next we have winter holiday Christmas papers. Guys, I know I was in two minds about reviewing this, but because of the price. It's very low. It's $1.06. But this is passive income. If you put it up there and it's being sold, why not? So this was sold a total of 11 times in the past 7 days and a total of 327 times. However, the listing is 2 years old. It's still an option, passive income. Why not? 11 times in the past 7 days. So I think this is pretty good. And if you are good at putting shapes and clip arts and all these things together, then you can create digital paper and just put it out there to be sold, and that will be something that is being sold continuously. You can do digital paper packs and so forth. Next, we have another type of digital paper, and this one the price is way better. It's being sold for $3, and if you take a look at it, it has different elements here. It's beautiful, very simple, and it was sold 2 times in the past 7 days and 48 times in total. So this listing was created in August of this year. So this listing is doing pretty good. So next digital product, we have markups. Okay, so we know that print on demand is pretty hot on Etsy. Yes, so you can also design the shirts, or you can create markups where people actually can place their designs on the t-shirt. Okay, so if you take a look at this, you'll see here, create your own beautiful design. The sample, these are beautiful, and you can do markup bundles, etc. All right, so this is just an example of what the shop is selling. It's selling for $5.55, and in the past 7 days the total sales was six sales, a grand total of 131, and this listing was actually only created in August of this year. As you can see, we have some more markups for you to take a look at. The Gildan crew neck, and this is the sweater markup for $9.16. Of course, you get what, 22 markups. And this markup was created a year ago, or almost a year ago, November last year. And 11 of these were sold in the past 7 days, and 235 in total was sold. So this is a pretty good item. Markups are very good, and it's been sold very well. So this is something probably you can explore, when trying to decide what digital products to sell in your store. So next we have this lovely Christmas print. Guys, if you're an artist, or you're a painter, then you can create something, similar to this. This is a continuous painting or picture, because Santa is in one, and then you have the different reindeers, right? So Santa has 4 reindeers. So the other 2 posters has the other reindeers. Okay, I'm not sure what is written there. He has Santa Claus and something, but I'm not sure. But this is this is lovely. So as you can see here, this is a digital file, and this was sold over 1,500 times. Oh, sorry, 19 1,903 times, and 46 times it was sold in the past 7 days. Okay, and look at the price. This is $10.51. This is a bestseller, guys. This shop seemed like it's doing pretty good. It was posted a year ago, right? So this is a pretty good listing, and the markup is very clean and beautiful. It just says Christmas, and these are the client's photos. Oh, these are so beautiful. Okay, so it has Santa Claus is coming. So there's the writing, the text at the bottom. Santa Claus is coming to town. Oh, lovely. And next, what do we have? We have a Santa Claus letter template. Yeah, a Santa letter template. Okay, so this is for the kids, and as you can see, it's an instant download, and it is edited with Corgi as well. Yeah, it is edited with Corgi as well. I think I saw that right somewhere in the description. But anyway, this was sold a total of 285 times, and 14 times in the past 7 days, and the listing is almost a year old, as you can see here, right? So it's a very simple. It's $3.54. It's not too pricey. So it has the Santa Claus letter and a certificate, a nice list certificate, which is cute, So this is something else you can actually look at if you're looking at to incorporate digital items in your shop. So the Santa list is something you can actually look at as well. Next, we have, this one is a recipe book. Okay, I know it doesn't say anything, say Christmas or scream Christmas, but you can use this, something similar to this, and create it around the Christmas season. This was sold 163 times, and once in the past 7 days. Okay, I put this there because I like it, and 2, the sales is not that bad. Okay, I noticed that the listing is 2 years old, but the sales is not that bad. Yeah, so this one is done professionally, but you can have yours done for, how should I say, as for an iPad. Okay, where you can have it in a PDF format, and you can have it like a fillable PDF, where persons can actually use that to document all their favorite recipes. All right, this is something I've been looking for, and I haven't really gotten that satisfaction in any app I've come across. So I think this is a pretty good idea that you can use. You can create it and sell it. You can actually sell it for half the price. The persons can actually use it on the iPad. They can use it in GoodNotes, or just as an editable PDF file that they can actually use on their tablet. Okay, so there's an idea for you, a business idea that you can use. So these are all the templates, all the digital products I would like to review today. Okay, guys, so that's all the products. If you thought these were pretty helpful. Let me know which one you thought you actually liked below. Please let me know in the comments below. Don't leave it silent. Let me know. Also, like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I'm small. I like to grow. Okay, so I hope these were really helpful to you. And if you want more products, please look at this video right here. Okay.